What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your 2020 Nissan Altima S, SR, SL. Let's go. All you're going to need is your cabin air filter and either like a screwdriver, or in this case I'm using a drill. Step is open your glove box, and then right there you'll be able to see your screws, 3 up top, and then it should be 2 towards the bottom. So at this point you just want to grab your drill or a screwdriver and take the screws out. Come on, man. Down here on the bottom are actually a little bit hidden. As you see here, there's one there. Come over here on the other side, the other one's in there. So now we'll just do the same thing for the bottom. So at this point all the screws are off, so we'll just come over here. On the right side we have 3 tabs holding it down. We'll just kind of push up on it to release it. There it goes. You could always disconnect this little guy. Probably just leave it assembled. I guess I'll disconnect it. All I did to disconnect that was push down on this tab and then pull away. Then here we have our blower motor up there. That's going to be our guy with our cabin air filter in there. This lever here, just go ahead and pull it that way. Pull out the old. Jeez. Yeah, start your new one. Seems about right. So at this point, get your new cabin air filter. On the sides there should be indicators on which side is up. All right, so this is actually my bed. I confused up with airflow. So the airflow was actually going down to my blower motor. So I actually went back and fixed this. If yours does say up, then go ahead and follow those arrows. But if your airflow is going down towards your blower motor, you're gonna have to flip that guy upside down. And then we'll just come over here to the housing, push it right in, matches up. Take the housing, that guy's in the way, isn't he? Take the housing, go ahead and clip it in this way, where it kind of latches right there. Oh. Sorry about that there. And then that'll snap back in. Ugh. Jeez, all right. Give it a push to hear a click. Boom. So at this point, take your glove box, you can reconnect this harness till it clicks. You want to line it up so that the clips on the sides, the retainer clips, match up with the housings. Both sides. Boom. And then just reattach your screws. I probably wouldn't torque them down more than they need to. It's just a glove box. Then close that. The bottom's in there. Just replace your cabin air filter, and you should be breathing cleaner air. Till next time, John from AutoZone.